Yes, guys, we are here with a new YouTube channel right now for the world globally. Alright, but first, I want to big up all of my first subscribers that subscribe to this channel. Okay, my channel name Silk Reacts. Okay, we're gonna react to a lot of stuff, guys. You understand, but not the wrong stuff. Okay, yes, this is a vibes channel. Big up everyone that tune in into this channel right now. Love and peace. Zine. Yes, no slackness, but mix up sometime. Zine, we are going to kick it off though. But first, subscribe, like, and share. Zine, please. Hey, if I hear shirt you have on, I hear money, buy it. Subscribe. Guess where I'm from though? Wagwan. Zine. So I see this video with this guy Kendrick Lamar and Drake. A war now. A war. See it? Yeah, people, we are getting it. I want to hold up.
That promise ain't that some P rest for bitch. You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no love boy, you ball boy, fresh Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping.
The man said, bro, hold up. The man said since 2009, him have the bitch they jump like him afraid. Zine, trust me.
Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, honey, and all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me, that could my seat. IP, ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
Bro, the man said, Mr. Get Off, him get off at him feet. So Drake, this guy get off at him feet for boxing in your face, bro, God. Yeah, right now too. Right now.
What's the password?
Password.
I see dead people.
Backbite. Tough. Bro, the part the tough like stone, bro. To be honest, bro. No cap. No cap, bro. No cap.
You late.
Bro, Jake, you late. Bro, with a clown to the with a clown ear, bro. Alright.
Aye. Mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down,
hey,
call him for lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo, what's up with these brony ass niggas trying to see Compton, they in the street can hate me, fuck them all and they mama, how many options you really got, I mean it's too many options, I'm finna pass on this body.
Bro, the man say how many options him have for box your Drake, it's too many options, bro, so you have to sight this one, Zane, sight it, bro.
Stockton.
Sight. Run for your life. What's your Bible?
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching.
Beat dog, I beat you and have God to watch, bro. Run.
Times you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to school with them.
That bad, bro. That me only see a man step out in a dark, bro. You see me, I say not even him shadow can escape that. You see me? Trust me, that tough.
Times you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'm a...
Bro, the wop thing the tough, bro. Who know this artist, dancehall artist named Skillibeng? Wop, 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 wop. You see it? If you escape one wop, bro, you cannot escape 2 more wop. If you sight 3, you cannot escape 2 more wop, bro. I just wop, 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 wop.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you
one more.
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Bro, the man Jah the minor seems like this guy is a kid, bro. John Nostar or maybe Drake love kid. Something alright, bro.
They not like us.
What's
they
that?
Not like
the
us.
man of pink people, black people, grey people, yellow people, everybody in the crowd that sing the song, bro. They not like us. Tough.
They not like us.
Bro, this shit tough like stone.
They not like us. Bro. They not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Word niggas and...
You feel a pop juice? Eh? Oh, you feel disrespect Pop, nigga? Eh? Jano,
Bitches go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep.
True,
I can
true.
go further, I promise. Ain't there some B-rest that's for bitching? You
Bro,
might be most wanted.
Afrobeat,
No,
child.
boy, you ball boy, fresh Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes. Well, Hovey.
But up, we not give man a wedgie. Fire! Burn off that. Where I'm from, not at all. See? Y'all know. Never. See?
For the other vaginal option.
Check all the part there. Music tough still, man. I tell you, like it tough like stone, fast like car pan. I wait. See, people first subscribe to this channel, okay? And do subscribe to One Code Music. We have the at right here, guys. You understand? Yes, this is the One Code at. Subscribe to it right so. People follow me on Instagram, Silk Codex. Okay? Thank you. Big up.
Nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous all up in contact. Might write this with a doctrine. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No
Bro,
accident. I'm hands on. Fuck around,
say.
get polished. Fuck on Wayne Grower. He was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home.
Bro, the man, like, the visual, everything set, dog. Like, everything set, bro. The man even have skanker in the thing, bro.
Deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator
Man,
moving
them a
flocks.
shell
That
it.
name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean.
People, when you follow me on Instagram, do remember, when you follow me on Instagram, I'm a skanker. I'm a dancer, okay? You will see, yes, I say, they not like,
You niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma set
So.
up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay.
watch out on the road, bro.
They
Skill.
not like us. They not like
They
us.
not like
They
us,
not like
bro.
us.
This tough, bro. Tough like
They
stone.
not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
People subscribe, bro. If you don't subscribe, you're not like us. You understand? Yes, if I hear shirt you have on, if you just beard and you beard and you always beard and you love beard, subscribe. If you don't love beard, don't subscribe. See? Yes, and big up yourself when you subscribe. So I say, and tune in for the next video. Tune
Once
in.
upon a time, all of us were selling chains. Homies still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run.
Past 24, every 24, you have the same agenda. Bro, Chappy, like Drake, you know change. The man, like, bro, like the man know everything about you, Chappy. I what go on, bro? Why you make the fallout? Eh? Why you make the fallout, bro?
Check balance, let me break it down for
All
you.
the
This the
clothes.
real nigga challenge. You caught future when you didn't see the club. Ay, what? Little baby help you get your lingo up. What? 21 get your first street cred. Thug
Bro, hold on. Don't feel like I don't understand this English, bro. Not because it is going so fast. Bro, where I'm from, speak English and Patois, bro. Zin, yes, Patois, Afi Inite, bro. Yes, I say they not like us. This tough, bro.
like you a slime in your head. Ay, what? Quavo said you can be from North Side. What? 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you
Man,
not
know
a colleague,
everything
you a
about
fucking
Drake, bro.
colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. Here was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
John, no, bro. Seems like Drake do not have a family, bro. It's a man a show Drake say, bro, see family moment, yeah. See family moment, yeah, now. People subscribe. See? People do subscribe also on One Code Music. You understand that? Next YouTube, we do pop. As I may say, I am a DJ as well, not just a dancer and no MC. You understand? Yes, subscribe to that channel. See? Yes. Soon I will tell you to follow my Instagram. But me cook it off. Cause we not go too fast in here. So me I say, yes. For you not subscribe, you not like us. As me I say, yes. Big up yourself too. Once you subscribe. Tell your auntie and nephew, your father. Big up.
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a
My
fan,
fan,
he a
the
fan,
truth.
he a freaky ass nigga.
And a
he a
fan
69
regular.
God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey,
What that mean? What that
run
part?
for your life. Hey,
People comment what that mean. 69, freaking 9, whatever. Comment that. What that mean? What that
run for
mean?
your life. Freaky Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass
69
nigga,
God.
he a 69 God.
Another
hey,
OP
hey, hey, run
logo.
for your life. Hey, run for your life. Say
People run for your life.
OV ho.
O-E-O.
Say OV ho.
Bro, man, I just said that a while ago.
Step this way. Step that way.
bro,
Then
the man have
step
the
this way.
logo in
Step
it.
that way. Are you my friend?
Bro, this song well put together, bro. Can't tell me this song well put together, Chargy. This song seems like he's waiting for Jake to mess up, bro. Once you messed up, you get whap, 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 whap. Whap.
Step this way. Step that way. Then step this way. Step that way.
See that? See that? See that? Me not even see the bird at first, bro. No, see the bird pop up now, bro. The logo, Jake logo, bro. You see me, I say, the man forward for Jake. Whap. Knock. I see dead people. People, this tough like stone. Big up yourself, Kendrick. You're gone with this worldwide. It's tough. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. People, see you in the next video, but first, subscribe, please. Zine, yes, I'm not gonna make this video too long or way long or long. You understand? The only thing long. People, subscribe now and big up all of my subscribers. Make we take it from 1 to 1 mil right now and show them. As me I say, our bill. As me I say, they not like us. Bad video, bro. This video is tough, bro. As me I say, we outside now. Subscribe. Big up.